Linking your bank to IPFS can streamline your financial transactions and enhance data storage. Follow these steps to successfully establish the connection. Step 1. Research IPFS. Understand what IPFS interplanetary file system is and how it works. Familiarize yourself with its decentralized storage capabilities and how it can benefit your banking needs. Step 2. Choose an IPFS provider. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Create an IPFS account. Sign up for an account with your chosen IPFS provider. Follow the registration process, which typically includes providing your email address and creating a password. Step 4. Set up bank integration. Access the integration settings within your IPFS account. Follow the prompts to link your bank account, which may involve entering your bank details and verifying your identity. Step 5. Test the connection. Once your bank is linked, conduct a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Monitor the transaction for any issues and confirm that data is stored on IPFS as intended. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to IPFS, enhancing your data management and transaction processes.